Today we told you that NSE has inked a pact with Nasdaq. My colleague Vijay Iyer caught up with the CEOs of both the exchanges. Let's listen in to this chat.
We've been working with NSE now for over a year to find opportunities for us to partner together. I think one thing that the NSE has been focused on is their technology in the post-trade area. And Nasdaq provides technology to over 100 exchanges around the world. So I think that they saw us as potentially the right partner to look at, to consider for the future of their post-trade technology. So we started off with a discussion on the technology side, and we've entered into an agreement to leverage the Nasdaq technology to support the NSE's post-trade business. But we also then realized that there were a lot of other things that we could do together. So we've also entered into an MOU in several areas. One is to explore business relationships of ways for us to bring some of the technologies and services that we offer our own clients to the NSE's clients, but also to work together across our IT organizations, because they have a very high-performing IT organization that maybe allow us to expand our technology capabilities as well. So it's a pretty broad-based partnership agreement.
Vikram, from NSE's perspective, clearly this would be, perhaps if I could say, a turning point, particularly from the technology perspective, because this would something that you were trying to revamp the whole of what it is and how it would be going forward. How do you see this?
See, as you know, NSE has really been at the forefront of technology for a long period of time. All our systems have been developed in-house, and we actually are very proud of that because they stack up to the best in class globally for the kind of volumes and the kind of business that NSE handles. But they need to be future ready, and we were looking at investing in technology across the landscape. As far as our clearing and settlement system is concerned, it's an area that we've been looking at for the last couple of years that requires investment. And we thought that it would be important to try and focus on a global platform that would give us the flexibility to try and look at the evolution of technology going forward, risk management systems, etc., and then customize it for the needs of our environment and the regulatory and margining requirements, etc., so that the Indian capital markets gets the latest in technology from a post-trade standpoint. And so really, Nasdaq is the technology leader globally on various systems, whether it's trading, post-trade, etc., and we thought that this would be the logical partner for us in order to develop our post-trade systems to make us future ready.
Now, if I could ask you, we all know India being the flavor of the season when it comes to attracting global inflow, so on and so forth. Also, there's a gift city which India has set up, and all the resources are being put to make it a success. How do you see that as an opportunity? And of course, NSE, your partner, is already having a setup there. How do you see Gift City going forward from Nasdaq's perspective?
Well, I think that Gift City is an interesting way for India to expand its business and its opportunity to global investors and to global participants. So when we've been working with NSE, we're looking at making sure that the clearing and settlement solution that we are delivering together will also be applicable to the Gift City implementation to allow for international participation into NSE using international technology, as Vikram mentioned. So
All right, there you have it. That's the management of the Nasdaq and NSE talking about this MOU to explore opportunities across listings, corporates and market services.